Welcome to EncycloHub. Here we are discussing MA Psychology. Questions. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of questions solution in PDF and handwritten. Also, if you need answers of any type of subject or course, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Now question 5. Discuss the errors in attribution, specifically focusing on the fundamental attribution error and halo effects. 6. Describe some ethical issues that arise in social psychological research. 7. Explain the various experimental studies of human obedience. 8. Discuss the theoretical perspectives of prosocial behavior. Section C. Answer the following in about 50 words each. 10 times 3 is equal to 30 marks. 9. Defines social psychology. 10. Person perception. 11. Characteristics